welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a little mukbang. I got me some wings, some tacos. Now the only thing I don't like about the wings, I got it from this Yum Yum truck, and the wings are very small. I don't like that. But anyway, I just want to but talk a little bit about my life, what I got in storage for my life, y'all, is hustling, getting on my grinds with a lot of stuff. Where I could make me some change. And I'm very excited about that because I'm very motivated about it. And I want to know what y'all got in store. Oh, last night my daughter graduated. She graduated from Bible school. And I'm so proud of her about that. She also got a lot of stuff that she want to start doing. With the help of God, everything is going to fall in place. With us and for y'all too. Y'all got to get up and get on your grind. And start doing it. Don't sit there just being negative about what people are doing when you're not doing anything to better yourself. So you need to get up, get on your grind, and do what you need to do. Cause if the shoe was on the other foot, somebody sitting there judging you when you work hard to make your money to do what you're doing, you're going to feel bad. So that's why we shouldn't judge each other. We shouldn't judge people. I feel like if you're a person that does that, I think there's a lot of jealousy and envy. I mean, why? What the purpose of it? Why you want to talk about people when they're doing good? There's not nothing to get mad about when you can be doing the same thing too. The world would be such a better place if we would just stop and do the right thing and stay positive about life, about a lot of stuff. And you'll be surprised at how much we can get done with everybody being positive on their grind, doing what they're supposed to be doing. But for me, I know what I'm going to do. I don't care what the naysayers, I don't care what nobody says. With the help of God, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it. Before this year out. Oh, and I'm trying to get to a certain amount. I'm not going to say it now, but I'm praying and fasting on it. On my numbers, my viewers, my subscribers, everything. I got to get myself straight, everything straight. But anyway, I'm not going to be able to eat all this food. But I just wanna yeah, it's good though. I just don't like a whole lot of spicy stuff. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna cut this off because I'm gonna finish this up because I'm a slow eater. I don't eat fast, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna lay down and I'm gonna get my rest because I don't rest enough. Y'all look at these little teeny wings. Now they know. But anyway, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, push that notification button, and get me up there. And y'all remember, Mona Lisa love y'all. Peace. Excuse me.